Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase potassium in your body. Potassium is a vital mineral, crucial for many bodily functions. It helps maintain proper fluid balance, supports nerve signals, and is essential for muscle contractions. Ensuring you have enough potassium can also contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure. Let's explore how you can easily boost your intake through simple, everyday choices. Many delicious foods are packed with potassium. A medium banana, for instance, offers about 422 milligrams. Sweet potatoes are another fantastic option, providing around 542 milligrams per medium serving. Don't forget avocados, with approximately 485 milligrams in just one half. Incorporating these and other leafy greens, such as spinach, into your diet is a great start. Boosting your potassium intake can be quite simple. A great first step is to consistently include more fruits and vegetables in your daily meals. Try to choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, as processing often reduces nutrient content. For snacks, consider options like dried apricots or a fresh orange. Cooking with fresh ingredients also helps maximize the retention of these valuable nutrients. While diet is the best way to get potassium, some might consider supplements. However, it is crucial to consult a doctor before taking any potassium supplements. High doses can be harmful, particularly for individuals with kidney concerns. Generally, increasing your intake through dietary changes is the preferred and safest method. Your healthcare provider can advise on the appropriate dosage if a supplement is truly necessary for your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.